Hi, to fix Wi-Fi issues on your Poco X7 Pro, I got several advices for you. The first one is you can open settings, here find your Wi-Fi and basically soft reset it by tapping on the switcher to turn off. Then wait a couple of seconds and turn it back on. If it didn't help, then we can go back, choose more connectivity options, and here choose to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. So in that case, you need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, you need to enable mobile data, and reconnect all of your Bluetooth devices. But this will fix all of the Wi-Fi problems. So this helps at 90% of cases. So you need to tap this arrow to reset settings, then draw a pattern, enter PIN code or password, and here tap this blue button to reset all of the network settings. And now they have been reset, so go back, find your Wi-Fi, then find your network, and you need to enter its password again. So let me do it quickly, and just tap this blue button, connect. And just in a couple of seconds, you will be connected. If this advice didn't help as well, try to reboot your phone. For that, press and hold power button and volume up buttons at the same time. Let's do it again, like that. And now swipe down till the end to reboot the phone. It will turn off, then just in a couple of seconds it will be turned on. And this will also clear cache. And the last way how we can fix this is to factory reset the phone, but in that case you'll erase all of your data, so you need to set up your phone again. And if you're willing to do this, then find additional settings. Here you need to find factory reset option right here on the bottom. And now, as you can see, all of the items would be erased. So before you do this, I suggest you to back up your data, so you'll be able to restore it when you'll be setting up this phone. And now to factory reset the phone, just tap red button, erase all data, and that's it. So if those advices helped, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.